How to connect Cloud AI to the Microsoft 365. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect method. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Cloud AI. From here you can connect from this option, which is add files and connector. Go to the add. From here we need to go in this add connector and go to the browse connector. So you can see your all Excel, all your application which you can connect. This is a popular application which you can connect. So from here you need to search for Microsoft 365. Okay, now you can connect it. Okay, so before connection you need to read this all details. Okay, so you need your company email ID or your school email ID, like Outlook email ID, Hotmail email ID on your Microsoft account. If you're using your Gmail account or any other account like Gmail, Yahoo, it won't be connect. Okay, you need to use your company ID or your school ID or your personal account like Outlook, Hotmail, and live account like Microsoft account. So now go to the connect. The same, it is showing the same details. You need to sign up your personal account, your company account or personal account like Outlook, Hotmail, or live.com. Okay, now you can connect from here. It will be connect. Okay, if you're using Gmail account, it won't be connect. Okay, so you need to use this and connect it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.